Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. As you can see, at the very first option we've got language, and so let's tap on it. And here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so simply tap on Add a Language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. What's more, if you cannot find the language in this list, no worries. As you can see here, we've got Samsung suggested. So if you want to open the full list of all languages, just tap on this three-dot icon and tap on all languages. And as you can see, it is immediately updated, and for sure you will be able to pick the language you would like to set. So let me find something, for example maybe French. Just tap on it. Okay, that was a misclick, but that's okay. As you can see, you will be transferred to this screen, and your device will ask you if you want to set the new language as the default or keep current. So obviously we came here in order to change the language, so let's tap on set as default. As you can see, it immediately appears at the very top of the list, but in my case it may be not available in some apps. So let me pick another language which for sure will be available. Let's pick the French and try not to misclick. Okay, so let's pick French, and as you can see right now I can choose the region, so let me pick France maybe. Tap on it. Okay, so the same situation, your device will ask you if you want to set the French as a default, so obviously I will set it, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the very top of the list, and the whole system, the whole menu from now on will be in the chosen language, so in my case French. So now let me get back to the language. Okay. And I know that it is right now in French, but here we will have the option to modify, and obviously I misclicked. I mean, I clicked on it before I just told you what I want to do. Whatever, just tap on modify, and as you can see, if you will have plenty of languages applied, you won't have to get into the list in order to change the language. If you would like to, for example, set the English as a main language, you've got it in the list here. So all you have to do is tap on modify, tap on the English language, and as you can see, it's quite hard, unfortunately. Just tap on it, and if you will tap on those arrows, you will be able to move it. So drag it to the very first position, and now we can go back. And as you can see, the language is immediately changed, so you can do it if you've got plenty of languages applied in this list. And it was modified, it was added. So of course you can remove the languages from this list. So just tap on edit and just mark those options which you would like to remove, and tap on remove. Tap on remove again, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.